Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are already met, Python and Jupyter installed, and your environment activated. Open the terminal in the folder that holds your notebooks. This sets the working directory. Once done, activate the correct environment. Conda activate myenv or sourcevenv/bin/activate so kernels match packages. This prevents import errors later. Now type the simplest command to open Jupyter Notebook. It launches the server and shows files in your browser. You can open a specific notebook directly by running Jupyter Notebook name. Ipenb. This bypasses the file browser and loads that file immediately. If your project lives in another folder, start with Jupyter Notebook dir =path/to/project so the server routes correctly. For a more modern interface, use Jupyter Lab instead. Same env rules apply. Make sure the command runs from the activated environment because kernels are tied to that Python, and mismatched packages cause runtime failures. To finish, confirm the notebook opened in your browser and run a quick cell to verify kernel connectivity. If you run on a remote machine, start with Jupyter Notebook no browser and port forward, or open the provided URL. If the server hangs, press Ctrl+C to stop it, then relaunch after checking the terminal output. One key troubleshooting tip: if the notebook fails to connect, inspect the server log for port conflicts or kernel import errors, and ensure the activated environment matches the kernel you expect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.